crib and everything set up?
Sure.
Any of these tables and chairs on the boat?
So today Isaac and I were going out on the boat. He has a Seadoo switch, which is like a brand new boat that Seadoo just put out. Just about to drop it in the water. Hey, Aiden.
See that red strap right there?
Yeah.
Can you grab that?
Hey, Bubba.
You say hi, Uncle Ben.
Did you like the drone? It was zipping around. It got up to 37 miles an hour. So what we got going on up here? What does what?
Well, I don't know if you call this a helm or not because it's got handlebars like a jet ski, but
Yeah.
you've got your VTS, your variable trim system, allows to raise or lower the front of the boat depending on your load or the weight that you have on the boat and where you have it on the boat. You've got everything from normal mode to eco mode for fuel savings, or ski mode, which allows you to be able to get a consistent fuel out of the water.
Okay.
You got your Garmin navigation and depth finder. It's a Seadoo switch, 2022, so first year they came out. Literally the whole thing's completely customizable. You can move around all these seats. You can put foam pads or those foam cushions down throughout the whole boat. The no mold, mildew, and carpet, and all that garbage.
Looks like you got like storage under here and all that, right? I'm surprised by just how much it holds the water. Like when you're turning, I'm expecting it to go skipping across the water, and it stays in its lane. It's very almost unnerving, but it's fun.
That's one of the perks of the tri-tune is you get the lean of like a wake boat, or like a traditional V-hull boat, but those side pontoons give it that stability, so if you're in rough water, you're not going side to side. Pretty awesome, man.
Yeah.
So it's got the lounger area in the front, the ski mode, a couple other features, swim platform in the back. We got a ski pylon for it, so you can tow wakeboarders or skiers. But one of the coolest parts about the boat is since it's jet driven, it's a closed loop cooling system. You don't have to worry about garbage getting into the cooling system, and then because it's got an inboard, it's actually much quieter. You don't get these gas fumes.
Yeah.
And you can put a swim platform in the back. And when we're towing tubes, you don't even need a ski pile. You just hook them to the back.
It's got the cruise right there.
I'm trying not to use that just yet because it's still
Awesome. This is amazing. Yeah, the wind is so nice though. I don't know why you'd want to get like the sidewalks.
No, just that'd be for a more like winter riding.
Okay.
Camper enclosure. You could set up a little heater.
Yeah.
You guys have a JL audio system in it, Bluetooth.
Was that speaker down there?
Here and a speaker in the front.
Okay.
And then the other thing is the top speed on this is 44 miles an hour.
Okay.
1 foot, 230 horsepower, supercharged engine.
This is quite the upgrade from the other one you had, the jet ski.
Yeah, from the Seadoo Spark.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's a different beast for sure. I'll definitely get another Seadoo Spark one day.
Yeah.
But this is great for people, family, 9 persons.
Okay, Isaac is giving me the thing. He says go as fast as it can go. Right? That's what you said? Oh, yeah.
Out in the way.
Okay.
And then what I'm grabbing right now is just the extension that we had to buy for literally just set this guy right in there. And that goes like that. And then Josh should be out here or here.
Boat people are so nice.
Oh yeah, because everybody's happy. Right? They're all on a boat.
And he's putting the lights up?
Yeah.
Cool.
That button on the dash is lit up.
Yeah. This one?
Push it to the middle. There you go, beautiful. We've got our light up there.
Cool.
Shark?
Yeah, go for it. I understand how hard they are to come by. Oh my God. This is incredible.
What is this? And baby shark.
I know everybody's been trying to be like, oh, I want one, but I want to test drive one. There's nowhere to test drive them. No. Cool. I can move all these pads up and off. The thing only weighs with the trailer 3,000 pounds, so you can pull it literally behind anything. The see-through panels, because it's a jet ski engine, it's their A1630 engine.